Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Shopify. Now before we get started with this video, you can get a 3-month free trial on Shopify along with some very special deals which are linked down below absolutely for free. So if you are a new person that wants to go and wants to grow their Shopify store, this is an ideal way to get started this particular month. So let's get started with how you can go and uninstall the apps from Shopify. It's very simple, guys. So log into your store with the your store owner's account. So go to the settings, which is under here, as you can see. Now on the settings, you will see a bunch of different options. What you want to do is you want to select the apps option. So as you can see right here, from here, you will see apps somewhere around here. If you cannot see apps, you can go to the search always, and you can just go and click apps or search for apps. Now from there, as you can see, you will have apps right here, and it's very simple. As you can see, you can go and go to the trash bin on each of these apps, depending what app you want to delete. You just click on the app, the trash icon, and then as you can see, a window will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. You can click the red uninstall button to permanently remove the app right here, as you can see. Now, obviously, you can also go and uninstall app in Shopify or on iPhone. If you want to do that, you just go to store and then go to apps. And then as you can see here, you will be able to go to the 3 dots and just remove the apps that way. As you can see, just tap the remove app button right here. So that's how easy it is. Obviously, it's very easy, but if you have any questions, you can comment down below. And as well, you can get a 3-month free trial, especially if you are a new to Shopify ecosystem, down below with our links in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in another Shopify tutorial video.